I'm trying to scale this layer in Photoshop and it has some layer styles or effects applied to it. A stroke and a drop shadow. But when I resize it with Free Transform, the effects don't automatically resize with the layer. Instead, they keep their original size and properties. What's happening?
Dude, there are multiple ways to scale layer styles. When you resize a layer, and before you hit enter to confirm, look at the width and height values in the options bar. If it's a normal layer, they should start at 100% and then change as you're resizing. Copy the percentage value before confirming. Next, right-click on the effects in the Layers panel and choose Scale Effects. Paste the percentage value here and click OK. Click OK again, and this should fix the size of the layer styles. Alternatively, before resizing, right-click on the layer in the Layers panel and convert it to a smart object. And now if you resize it, everything will scale correctly. Finally, if you're using image size to resize the canvas, make sure you click on this gear icon and check Scale Styles before you click OK. Duh!